Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer states perform oil change and my tire light is flashing. Please check and advise. Well guys, I can tell you this much. I road tested the vehicle and I almost crashed this vehicle. The brakes, well, the pedal is barely there. But they're not interested in that. They're not interested in that it's going to take them 70% more time to stop the vehicle. But they're interested in why their tire light's flashing. At least they're changing the oil. Brake fluid is, yeah, it's there, but it's kind of brown. It's looking old. The coolant, I can tell you this right now, that's not the pink Toyota stuff in there. But at least it's kind of close to the color. It's orange.
There's a cart.
So we did scan the vehicle, and they have two codes for two different sensors, and they immediately declined that. So we look at this fender, it's nice and shiny, and then we go for the Urban Commando look on this side. Look at that, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, I think we got 5 shades of gray right there. Beautiful. You know what comes next, guys. Let's take it up top. So now that we took it up top, we're going to look around. We're going to look around at the flavor that is present. We're already draining the oil. But the self-lubricating chassis system is a trying right here. Very good. So when I went on the pre-repair road test, I stepped on the brake and nothing happened. I had a little pucker moment. My butthole definitely puckered a little bit. And the reason why, ooh-wee, look at that Gugot's rotor. That's one Gugot's. And here is the other. Look at that. That pad is about 1 millimeter. This one, same thing. Let's go a little further back. Because you know the further we get back, or the further we go back, the further into flavor country we go. Yep, flavor's present. And accounted for. Oh, looks like some Goomba did the recall here. Threads are still exposed. What? Oh my god, it looks like they just puttied it in their hand and went. Oh, and then look at that. Ooh, we got a sweat and shock right there. He doesn't want to rust anymore, apparently. How's this side? It's not leaking. Always recommend them in pairs. Look at that toothpick axle with the flavor on it. Oh, rear brakes are looking... They're looking alright. Oh, wait, never mind. Never mind. Subframe, got flavor, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So they just want to know about the tire light, but they're not complaining about the brakes. Oh, that exhaust is... seen better days, but it's there. That hardware is there. I could tell. You could count the sides on that bolt. That one too. Imagine that. Very good. Let's see. So we're gonna write it up for brakes. We're gonna write it up for brake fluid. Oh. Same for that side. Not looking good. And that's looking like a rear mainish. Oh boy. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.